Hey everyone, welcome back to EdTour. Today we've got a packed episode filled with the latest news and updates. We'll be covering a variety of topics, so stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more informative content. Like, share, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Let's dive in. Nabil Rajo is an Eritrean-Canadian actor known for his award-winning performance in the film Boost, 2017. Born in Eritrea, he moved to Canada as a child and quickly gained recognition in film, TV, and theater. Rajo's work is celebrated for its emotional depth and versatility. Eritrean professional cyclist Biniam Girmay is set to participate in the Renouille Tour in Belgium from August 28 to September 1, 2024. Wishing you the best of luck, Bini. Eritrean National Festival in preserving cultural heritage and traditions. Hugo Page powers to a solid 7th place finish in the Tour de Limousin, making a strong comeback in his first race since the Tour de France.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to EdTour, like this video, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us bring you more content. See you in the next video.